Hi guys, we received this one bottom pop-up canopy for event purposes. As you can see, this is a cover and in here we've got the instructions on how to assemble it. I think it's really nice because it's really quick and all the parts that includes, okay? As you can see, it has these two handles so you can carry it, and it has wheels, the cover, okay? Which I think it's perfect for moving it around. You know, sometimes you need to take it out for some place and you can, well, do it alone, okay? So we open it, we find the cover. This is the part that sits on top of it. These are some snap bags, okay? Which I think they're nice. These hooks place it in the ground so it holds, okay? And the main frame, okay? Look at all the way, and this is it. It's nice that it comes with everything you need to assemble it. These hooks to put it on the ground, the tent. So let's go ahead and start assembling it. I'll be doing it outside to see how it works, how we can assemble it, and how it looks. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed. It's really easy to install it. It didn't take that much long. I did it by myself, so I think it's pretty easy to say that you can do it just one person. It takes about 10 minutes approximately. It's really nice. It's of a very nice quality, this part. And well, you can see you can change the tightness really easy, okay? I think it's perfect for when you wanna make some outdoors activities like a party or whatever you need it. I think it will work perfectly, and I really recommend it. It's amazing, easy to use, easy to carry with you. That's the nice part of having these types of cover with wheels. I think it will be excellent, and I really recommend it. See you guys.